These are gluten-free Sicilian almond biscuits. Oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen, pasta alla mandorla. Here at Brunetti Classico in Melbourne, they specialize in this. Giorgio, the master, has been making this for 81 years. Yes. This is a great recipe, and Kenny, the executive chef, learned from the master. Yes. You learned all the recipes from him.
I've learned.
But this is his proud recipe, I guess. Huh? Are you gonna share it with us?
I'm gonna share it with you guys. Whenever you're ready, here it is.
What a big responsibility you have, my friend. Keeping the traditions alive here at Brunetti Classico.
Yeah.
This is Brunetti Classico Pasticceria on Lygon Street, Melbourne. So when you come here, please try every single pastry. Please, every single one.
That's what he's been doing since he was here. So you can imagine.
Look how happy I am. To make these beautiful Sicilian gluten-free almond biscuits, we need 300 grams of almond meal. Here at Brunetti Classico, they grind their own almond, and Giorgio, the master, he does it here. He's been doing that for over 81 years, yes. And he's very particular how he does it. So it is better if you grind them. 360 grams of icing sugar, 30 grams of honey, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mm-hmm. We want orange and lemon zest.
Yes.
And 5 egg whites.
That's it.
And then for decoration, we're gonna use sour cherries.
Yes.
If you can't find sour cherries, what do we use?
You can use any kind of candied fruits, any kind of flavors that you want to put in there. But down here, we keep it traditional. They like the Amarana cherries.
Because Giorgio the Wise is gonna get angry.
Yeah.
Almond flakes and some icing sugar too.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Fabio, one of the owners of Brunetti Classico, and today we're going to show you how to make our almond biscuits, which is a family recipe that my father's had for over 80 years. And Kenny is with me today, and he's going to actually go step by step and show you how we make this wonderful product.
So we'll start the process of the almond biscotti. So we have the almond meal, we put the icing sugar, we're gonna put the honey.
So I guess when you bake, you always start from the dry.
Always from the dry. The cinnamon, the vanilla essence. Then we're gonna zest the the orange first, and the lemon. This is all for flavoring.
You put entire lemon in it and orange?
Yes, depending on how is your taste. You can put more, you can put less, depending on the flavor. Then I'm just gonna mix it first a little bit. Then we're gonna add the egg white as the consistency. Like we said, 5 egg white, but we're gonna slowly add it. We're gonna form a block now.
So this biscotti di mandorla is traditionally from Sicily. It's a staple item in Sicily, and many years ago they say that it was first discovered in Palermo, and actually it was the Arabs who brought the sugar and the almonds over, and they created this mixture of pasta reale, they call it, which is a mixture fit for a king, and thus the name pasta reale, which is the almond meal that Kenny is making now. This is the base for most of the almond biscuits. So today we're doing the bocconcini di nonno.
These get messy.
How important is the grinding of the almond?
So we're doing it by hand here, or we had the powdered almond meal, but here we actually stone grind the almond in a process which is really important, so the extract of the oil doesn't come out of the almonds, because that's where the flavour is.
To keep the oil inside?
Inside the almonds, yeah. It's always important to mix the almonds or grind the almonds with sugar, You can't just grind them on their own. So if you do it at home and you're using a blixer or a blender, you need to blend it with the sugar so the oil retains itself in the almond.
Wow. So what consistency do we want for this biscuit?
The consistency, as you see, you can roll it. So you break one piece, you will see that once it roll, you can combine nicely. The dough itself, not dough, or the biscuit, is nice. You can form the shape nicely. It's gonna hold the shape. It's not something that you're gonna want to lose. So the shape is still intact.
That's how simple it is.
That's how simple it is.
You just mix ingredients and it's like
That's
a
it.
Play-Doh.
That's it. But it tastes nice. Now we're gonna shape and divide it into any quantities that you want in bite-sized quantity. So here in Brunetti Classico, we do weigh it up at 30 grams each. So the balls goes a consistency like this. How do we incorporate over stuff? Is either we press, we add one in, then we close it back, and then we're gonna show you a few of them today, a few different ones that we do. So this is one flavors. This is just the normal flavor that we do, and then we will shape it as we go. One cherries in, close it back, and then just roll again. You just need a bowl, basically. So we are doing a few different sides of it. So there's this one we can put just straight water. Then we go straight inside the icing sugar mixture. So this is how it comes out. You roll it so it coats nicely. You can put it back in here. You can press however you want shape. This is one of the shape that you can do. You can bake it. As soon as you bake it, jam, any kind of jam or flavors that you want to put on top of it. This is one of the flavors of the biscotti that you can have. This is how you can do it. This one is a strawberry jam that we put, and on top of it we put some decoration of pistachio. But like I said, you can, after you bake it, you can put any kind of jam that you can have. Strawberry, apricot, blackcurrant, any kind of filling, whatever suits your taste, this is what you can have. So we're gonna do a different shape for the sour cherries or the cherries or amarena. So we have some egg white that we have in there. What we're gonna do is a paste, because we want to stick the almond flakes. Water doesn't do the job, but we found a different way of how to do it. Egg white, icing sugar. What we're trying to achieve is a paste. Messy part, again, your hand. This is the only way we found out that we can make almonds stick to any biscuits. So, still not right yet.
You're making a pastella for biscuits.
That's it. Still getting there, not yet.
Very creamy.
I'll put too much egg white. You see how it's getting to a more sticky paste? Now it's ready. What we're gonna do, take your almond product, stick it to the that stickiness.
Richer and
So it still sticks to your balls. Compared to water, it just dissolves inside the almond flakes, inside the sugar. Now it's ready for rolling.
nice.
See how it sticks to all your balls? So in here, we do it this way. Put it. We're gonna pinch.
Oh, to give it a different shape.
That's a different shape so that we can recognize different biscuit of it. And still
That's how it looks.
ready to be baked. This is how the final product looks like, ready to eat.
So you do that with your fingers.
Fingers.
And then when you cook it, it kind of grows a little
It
bit.
grows a little bit, yes.
Interesting.
Once you bake
It's
it,
gonna
I'll
be my
show you.
favorite, this one.
There's the cherries that is
Yeah.
inside of it.
I think this is gonna be my favorite. I love this one. Yeah.
So when you actually cook it, the sliced almonds go crispy, and the sensation of eating the pasta di mandorla is a crunch in the beginning and then nice and soft inside.
Yeah.
So these are some of the types of biscuits you can make with the same pasta reale or the same almond dough that you have. There's the bocconcini, almond fragola biscuits with the jam inside, the pistachio biscuits. You can pipe some with a piping bag with the red cherry and the almond on top as well. And obviously the bocconcini di nonno, which Kenny showed you in the process just 2 minutes ago.
So we're going to be transferring it onto the trays now. So this is what we made before. We'll show you a few different ones. These are the cherries one that we did. This is just a plain one. So we're going to decorate some more of the cherries. So it goes straight on top.
The cherry doesn't melt when you cook it.
No, it doesn't melt. It stays as whole as it can. So
And the cooking process, I guess, is a quick one, isn't it?
it's a very, very quick one. So we normally put it in the oven in here at 230 degrees and it cooks around 6-7 minutes. This is how quick it goes.
Wow. High temperatures, very quick.
Why we put it at high temperatures? It's to keep the moisture of your almond biscuit. So you want it to be as soft as it can be as soon as you bite it in it.
And that's how you crunch, make the almond flakes crunchy too.
Yes, simple, easy to eat.
Don't you think simple food makes people happy? Simplicity, you enjoy the flavors, you get the best out of the ingredients. Isn't that what you want?
Of course, that's what we want in life. Simple food makes people happy.
And if you appreciate simplicity, you can live happy.
Happily. No stress. That's what we need.
Oh, look how beautiful they are.
Can you smell
Kenny.
that?
Ooh.
Almond.
Yeah, so these ones are basically ready. You just need to add some sugar. And this, you need to put jam in there.
So yeah, so
Any jam is fine.
I'll show you what jam I have with me at the moment.
Please.
But this is strawberry jam that I have
Yes.
prepared already. So you can just put your jam inside. Any jam is okay. This is a strawberry jam.
I like strawberry jam. Maybe figs. I like fig
You can
jam.
fig jam, any kind of jam. You can put any kind of decoration or what you want. We have some pistachio here.
And pistachio is good.
Put pistachio. This is one of the finished products that you can have. Just to show a bit of the videos. The more the better.
Yes, we like sugar.
Yeah. Who doesn't like sugar? Enough.
I think it's enough. I think it's enough. Looks like a Christmas tree. Look at this beautiful, soft, a little bit crunchy biscuit. Got a sour cherry inside. Oh, ooh, look at that. This is gonna melt in my mouth.
And that's it.
We have to have this now. This is the best part of the video recipe, Kenny.
Yeah. Eating it. Trying.
I can taste the lemon and the orange.
Oh, yeah. How about the almond?
The almond, of course. And now the sour cherry. The amarena.
Marina.
Wow. I love the flavor of the amarena. Possibly, this is my favorite. Kenny did a very good job, Kenny. Well done, Kenny. You can come and eat them here in Melbourne at Brunetti Classico on Lygon Street, or you can make it at home. Say thanks to Kenny and Giorgio. We have to say thanks to Giorgio.
Of course, Giorgio. It's his recipes.
It's his recipe, introduced us to this.
Yes.
How lucky are you?
Learn from the best.
The best. Can you please write a comment for Kenny and say thank you, Kenny, for sharing this recipe, and thank you for keeping the traditions alive. You're not Italian, Kenny, are you?
I'm not Italian.
But
Italian by heart.
see, well done. So thank you so much for watching this episode. We will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. Maybe with Kenny, maybe not. Maybe I eat you, Kenny, because you're full of sugar. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate. Ciao from Melbourne.
Ciao.